This mind mastery is fully mind blowing. It was wonderful. As a coach, you have done a wonderful job. And
Thank you.
yeah, and the time
So, what
management
is
is
your
very.
key learning from? What is your key learning?
Yeah, my key learning is so how to face the procrastination, how to overcome from that, and wherever we want to set something, so we need to overcome from that. And the fourth thing, what we need to do, delegate something and increase, decrease. That is very nice part. We need to do that. So all self-realization, whatever we are doing, it is for ourselves we are doing. So it's a very good thing. And the module also, it is actually I don't have a module in my hand, but somewhere I have seen that thing. The power of mind and enemies of mind. What the three enemies of mind that I learned. It was wonderful. And the skill what we need to build within ourselves. So the target I have to I set now itself. So I need to how to execute my plan that I want to learn, and the marketing skills I want to learn. So I learn about that. So overall, the timing you have managed very well. Meditation part, it was very amazing. I just take it somewhere else. I was in the air actually. I'm not sitting in my chair. That's amazing. And the brain gyms, what you practice, that is also very good. So wonderful gym. Thank you.
Razia ji has given her feedback in the chat. Enjoyed the session. Thank you for the session in English. Much appreciated. Learned a lot. Feeling good and eager to get started on habit trackers and improve. To also go brain gym. I think it will help me. I do delegate and delete, but I need to improve what I can decrease and increase. Okay. All the teachings of today will help me to build on my goal setting, how to remember techniques and everything. Very nice. Thank you, Razia ji, for an amazing feedback.
I've learned lots. I want to watch once again and studiously note down. And actually, after this afternoon, I feel a lot better. The thing that you keep telling that practicing this, you really can get over any kind of anxiety or like those low feelings. So it looks like that it's possible. Nothing I'm feeling. Okay, so proof of it. So yeah, thank you for that.
The session was very wonderful. It was very heart touching. Procrastination, time management, really takeaway points were that we should focus on how we can reward ourselves to get the things done. Also, time management is wonderful session you have taken. Meditation was really soothing. It makes people at peace. So overall session was very wonderful, and some insights we have taken away. So habit tracker was one of them. Thank you very much.
Session was wonderful, ma'am. Brain gym and procrastination habit, how to change it, meditation, everything was like, it made me like, okay, what is next? Next, I'll let it procrastinate and what to do to avoid that. It was very useful in that way, and it was very nice one. Thank you so much for the session.